My people, hey, gist dey o. Gist dey, una never hear. Make una joko sibe, make una carry una popcorn, abi na una okporoko, anything wey you know say you go take entertain yourself. It is about my correct ogbonge people. The latest update now from Amebo headquarters be say we hear say Wizkid say he don go reconcile with his first baby mama. Make una hold on small. Before I will give una the full details, I throw salute for una first. You're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another ogbonge gist. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you come across my channel and you never subscribe, abeg, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates, so that anytime when I post ogbonge gist like this, you don't feel miss am. So una go don hear some gist some days ago when never to take for here say Wizkid and a manager and baby mama wey they call Jada say they don't unfollow themselves for IG. But some people come dey speculate, especially the Chivido fans and the 30 big jeans, they talk say now because of the birthday party when Davido throw for Choma, say na the thing na he come pepper Jada, say jealousy come combo. Before you know it now, sharp you don't unfollow Wizkid. Forgetting say that birthday party not be just ordinary birthday party. Now promo birthday party na dem do for Choma. I don't know why it be say any small thing when Choma do, they go take am tie Jada. Because if una say make una look am, Jada and Choma, they no dey the same category at all. Me and you no dey for the same category. Una know all those things when Davido they buy for Choma sometimes when it be say online in-laws, they no go let us hear what, Davido don't do this one for Choma. Davido don't do this one for Choma. You see person like Jada, he no even need Wizkid to do one for am. If she want one, she go fit afford everything when Davido they buy for Choma. When we dey look at like saying one kind big thing, she go fit afford all of them by herself if she dey interested, if it say she wants. So people when they carry the rumor, they talk say now because say Davido promo a birthday party for Choma, now he make Jada they jealous, now he make am come follow Wizkid. You guys are daydreamer. Una not even know say there is fire on the mountain. It is more than what you guys are thinking. Hey, I know say this one will shock una. Yes, so my correct people, I know say Wizkid na one kind person be like say e news no dey quick they come out for social media. He just dey mind his business. E short, I never see that kind person before. Even Burna Boy once he own still they come out sometimes when you just see like say that one head just to touch. That is if you look for that one, I go look for you. Burna Boy just they stay in lane, but don't look for her. If you look for her, he go look for you. But you see this Wizkid, it just be like even when him mama by that day self, 2 years no here. Una no say nobody even know. Now later we come see them they do this period of 18. They even do that one self. 2 years no here. I never see this kind human being before. Anyway, so the coco when they play now be say, una know say Wizkid get first baby mama when he born that he first son that they call Bolu. And he still get another baby mama when he still not be Nigeria. Whether na Guinea, I don't know where he did. But he did for all this Africa country. I don't know whether he with that one that they interact well because that one for this social media. Wizkid. He take it eye, he take and see back. That one with and get speaking. I think now boy picking that one still get. That one don't carry the picking come out. Whether even swam they write petition different. Whether that one I ain't win the case, I don't know. But that one they with the picking. But obviously with Wizkid, if you don't settle, maybe if you get as you go to the see picking, no, just leave it picking like that for another country like that. I think so. I don't know. But this particular one they for Nigeria, I know so that this one will be the first baby mama. What they call Shola. This one, lately now, with Wizkid, they come be like 5 and 6. Irrespective the way they be before. When I know say initially when this is first one that they call Bolu, say when he's small, that time people talk say Wizkid, he don't give them space. They near the mama, they near the pikin because want some people talk say not be in spec. Say the girl get as it be, say the girl too this one because of the Oyibo one when he did with him for house. I know say that Oyibo one I don't get 3 children, and the 3 children when he get, I think now the last one I come be girl. They even look for that girl safe. Now so boy. Now they born. I say this life no balance. So when it be say when Davido and Choma go get one boy picking, Chivido fans no go let person hear word for this ambassador internet. They no go let person hear word. Oh, now he born boy no be born boy. Why some people self when it be say they get the boys, they get them boko for house. They no even to one time again and get self that they pray for. So that one don't born 3 children for them. But I don't think they are legally married because They talk say they married, but if you be in a rumor with the here because we don't see anything, they are not legally married. The way with me I tell say I'm not sure they not marry. Because if they marry, you will wait instead they play now waiting with the year now. That Oyibo get many things when you say go take tie Wizkid for neck. Wizkid self not go even try himself. So he never told you now come see am say no the way we be say they give this shoulder space and that the first pikin they call Bolu. No be so e come dey be lately. He come like say they near them. They come dey near body well. You know, he come be like say that rapport don't dey like that. And to crown it all, Wizkid mama when he still dey alive, this Bolu, they say no they take am dey play. This Wizkid first son when he be like say na this Shola na born am. They say he know they take am dey play. They talk say even fly, no they fly past the pikin head. He be like now this one na be first. Make I talk say really na him be first a grandson from Wizkid. I mean I don't forget. I don't say na only Wizkid na him be the only son when that woman gets. He get plenty children, all of them are girls. Wizkid get half brothers, half sister. When we say it's like it's from a polygamous home, but you see him mama na only one. Na him be the boy pikin when him mama get, and it can still happens to be say na last born na him still be. So they know they take him matter they play at all. You see that pikin when Wizkid born that Bolu, him mama no take and play. Likewise, all his sisters and the family, they don't they take and they play. Despite say na baby mama na born now, no be say married, but they know they take and they play. Una self go still see him when he do that in mama peria. Una see him say na that pikin, they give him the rightful respect, they give him the rightful role, the position, everything. When they say he belong to them, they give him. Now with the papa, now they waka hand to hand. That's to tell now say that boy get big role to play in the life of Wizkid. This now the thing that they try to make the Chief Video fans to understand all along. Say whether Wizkid married to do, whether I not married to do, that boy nobody go fit take his space. You know why? Because now it be Yoruba culture. Yoruba now they say because say now baby mama born is not legally married. Oh, there are some certain rights where he no fit. Maybe now for Igbo land and for the Shoma side, now for the do. But that one are their culture. But it can't happen to be saying that Davido now he be husband, not be Choma be the husband. Because the way the Chief Video fans want they do it can't be like say Davido now from Igbo land, it can't be like saying that Shoma self now he married Davido. It is not done. When something don't happen, just pray make something don't happen. Now they not go know who get right and who not get right. And to make the matter worse, Yoruba people, they don't know whether, apart from say they don't know whether now baby mama born the pikin get full right, like they won't be say whether they marry, they don't marry, you get. Even though say the pikin na girl though, whether na boy, they don't get this gender of it, say na because na boy na girl. They don't get, they for the diary. So every tribe get their culture, I be their tradition. Apart from the relationship when we say the family then get with this boy that they call Bolu. Now the same relationship they still get with the Bolu mama. And I still they call the suspect. It be like say Wizkid mama tell the other of his children, that is the Wizkid elder sister say, this pikin, they take them, they take them, they play. And obviously, I know say if Shola married today, this Bolu no go fit just the near papa the way they near now before. Yes, because based on say this pikin, na him mama, na him dey with since when they're born now. Since when he's small, now only the mama, even the time when we say Wizkid be like say he abandoned and when we say they say financially it's not there for the boy. Now this is mama, now he carry the load. And before this mama carry the load, so this mama show Wizkid now he began for this Obasanjo internet. Hey. You see that lawsuit, when Davido they knock Sophia Mamadou so. Now this Shola now even knock Wizkid that same lawsuit. He take his eye, take and see 99, my people. Upon all the respect when we say Wizkid see the command today, Wizkid not disrespect that lady one day. In short, Wizkid never disrespect any of his baby mama. I never see any place when we say don't disrespect. Upon say then drag him, go court. What if that lady don't talk? Once that lady go come out, and he go just still talk him. The day when we say the thing go just still vex am. Wizkid not they talk. As Wizkid not they talk, so now so it be right from time. They respect baby mamas no matter what. Maybe see they understand. They go say, they be human being and sometimes themselves go still feel am say, it's not easy for one person to take care of pikin. So now that period when this Bolu still small, now they say am say the Chief Video fans are be the 30 big jeans. They take and they compare. Go and copy. Go and see Wizkid now because Davido is a good. Nah. Go and see Wizkid now that they talk now. Now Davido now come be the worst father so far. Davido now deadbeat dad now. So now Wizkid now in the rain now Wizkid now everybody they proud of because as far as we know now Wizkid not to get any of his children when they say he don't abandon when they say financially it's not there for them. Yes, if he be say emotionally it's not there for them 100%, but at least he they respect them. They respect disrespect their mama. He never set them up for dragging. He never disrespected their mama. He never make his fans they make ridicule of his own pikin, his own blood. No, Wizkid never do that one. That one might be the difference between Wizkid and Davido. And that one be the respect when he dey command. So Amebo now call they meet us for Amebo headquarters. We call the year say lately now, it be like say this Shola and this Wizkid, it be like say things don't they level for their side together small. People come they talk say what is happening? Una know say they about to say Wizkid come for buy one mansion, come buy am for Bolu. He can't buy mansion for them. And he never to say for them who see this Bolu, he dey go school. I think whether they get some things when they want to do for school. If Papa can't carry a Ferrari, can't give am, make it personal Ferrari, make it carry am go school. Hey, Omo, if una see that there, the chief video fans, they be one melt. So nah. People now come they say and say all those times when they think say Wizkid not dey active in the life of this his son, we see and say Wizkid a very private person because say you know the cho, you know get loud mouth, you know they bring things come out. Now because say this pikin now come they grow self. Now we can't even they see some things, and it constantly happens to be say they say like father like son. Even this pikin they call Boluna, he be like person a very calm person. You know the cho like that. He gets things, he just they do it things. If that is not real papa carbon copy. Unlike Davido. So all those times they think say, oh, now Davido now be the best dad. Oh, go and see Wizkid now. See Davido now. Now Davido be the best dad. Now because say Davido they make cho. Now because Davido too loud. If you do small thing, you go shout for the whole Obasanjo internet. You go want everybody they praise him. You go want everybody they say, oh, now you be the best dad. Whereas now your pikin now you don't have for. You can't see say they say empty drum make the loudest noise. Last, say come abandon him, that will contain no say all this is when they do before. Now eye service, Davido don't get the time when he take Duam. You don't get time when he take Duam now. Even Sophia talk and say all those time when they give all this accolade to Davido. Oh, Davido is too much. He's the best dad. If he do this one, any small thing when he do for him, people go they talk. Say now 50-50. Davido don't get the time when he say only one. Even when he say the going was good, when he say with Sophia, I not get any wahala. Even the time when he say show myself not there in the picture. Davido don't get the time when we say now only 100%. Now just they care for Imade financially. Not be the emotional and the psychological aspect when he did for inside though. Not be all those ones. Not be who they talk. We are talking of financially. That's to take care of, to buy something, to do everything. Now 50-50. As Davido they bring half. Now so Sophia what do they bring half? But at the end of the online in-laws now, they carry all the accolade. They give Davido because based on say in the both say in a billionaire. So people don't believe say billionaire go they share B with the baby mama. Now Davido and Sophia, now then they do am. So right now, what did they play now for Wizkid that your side? So we can't hear say now. It be like say this is first baby mama. He with her, they don't reconcile somehow. Not be just that ordinary say reconcile. It be like say as we they hear now, it be like say they even talk say baby number 2 goes to enter allegedly. Make I put her like that. If you be say we don't see her pata before I will come give you now the cocoa when they the matter. We hear say baby number 2 goes to enter. When I see all these children when they don't they grow, you don't get as it go be. Their papa and their mama must find as they go to reconcile. You see this Shola, and we never see them say they into any serious relationships in the time when born that pikin. So men they look all these things. All this one they do say you don't date this one before, you don't follow this one before, you don't follow this. Hey, now baby mama, you don't get her. Even though so you be baby mama, if they take one corner eye, they look at whether this kind and the kind of woman when be saying go fit keep when be say any small thing, whether I don't jump enter the next available man. This Shola now we never see him say you don't they jump pion from this one, they do this one. Oh, they from one man enter another one. He's still there for there. Why? She did okay for me. She fine. Now people just they take my the yabam. She fine. Maybe they do all those one because they picking day. You know, nothing that we won't be parents, I won't be first role model. How you think say boy picking like that, mama go they go out with different men when you even know this, the relationship is not even guaranteed. So she's there. Let me say 100%. She did there for that picking. So I thank God now say Wizkid self can't appreciate all those sacrifices when the mama don't pay for this picking, because when this picking don't grow now, this Boluna, you see as the boy fine, you see the pride when they bring comfort with papa, and if 2 of them even stay now, you go even to say they be friends. So another good thing be say that he picking in the entire house when that Oyibo woman when he be say in the he with and get picking together when still be manager, which is Jada. He they enter that house. That Oyibo woman not for sure that Bolu one day say make it no enter house. So say now she they in charge because that Oyibo woman not be because say they just put her for half and like say she's nobody. She did there. She be manager. In short, most of all these deals when Wizkid they get, she get upper hand. Now make her the turn and say make her not they take that Oyibo woman take her the compare Shoma because that Oyibo woman, if you want employ Shoma as one of her own worker, let me say babysitter say because Shoma not to get qualification, make her not to say say one employer make come do this one. Say as a babysitter, he go fit if he wants. He go fit. I not look like that, oh, not the person will be say na in the show of pass, but the person ain't get pass. That woman don't manage different top artists for Obodo Ibo before he come reach a whiskey hand. So that boy they call Boluwatife, he they enter the house. The woman no plan say, oh, nah, me they in charge because say I'm the manager and this. Without me, Whiskey is nobody. Whiskey is this. You know if you enter this house. No, the pikin still they enter. You know why that pikin still they enter? Even though say that thing no sweet that Oyibo woman for belle, because that Oyibo woman self, when I go see and say the way they rush, they burn the pikin. In they think say maybe if you don't burn full everywhere now, road don't cover. See, this one another lesson for us to tell you say. No be as you take rush born for man. No be that one you go take tie the man for grand. Now man when you want stay, now you go see stay. If like say you don't think say you don't born, you don't cover everywhere. No woman go fit coming in. For where? So if that Boluwatife still they enter that house, and that woman no get say you no fit cough, that means say now the boundary when the papa lay. Now make that boy they enter that house. And it can't happen to be say this Bolu can't like that he half brother. He can't like him well. You see that Oyibo woman children. He with Bolu, they thought say they be like 5 and 6. And when they see them now, they like themselves. That's what they say there is nothing like negative vibe. Now be this one that they see and say, shum now. No one take I see any of Davido's children. When I go come, they talk say, in with Helen now this, everything about them are audio, everything are invisible. We know they see anything. When I said never even notice and say, Davido, they always they carry Imade chain, they put for neck. That chain when Imade face logo day. When they always put for neck, that DMW chain when we say na Imade face, na he dey. Una self never notice and say anytime when Davido dey with Shoma, he dare not put that chain. Una never notice am. If una see that chain for Davido neck, make all of una watch out. Make una dey look at that Shoma dey with am. To that extent, to tell you the kind hate when Shoma get for those children, now they come here, come they deceive una self. Make una no dey deceive una self again. So right now, so Amebo from Amebo headquarters now be say. In with this Mama Bolu now, this is first baby mama they call Shola, say they don't put plus and minus together. Say they get something together. We even yesterday they don't even relocate them for better house. Whether na banana say banana island, I don't know. You don't come out there, you know the woman manage, they manage that time. You don't relocate them, you don't stabilize their life. And so you both can say, you don't see them say, this one don't pass, be careful. This one not be just ordinary say, make I communicate with my baby mama girl. That one come they suspect. Because there is a make parable for my place. They don't say, any handshake when you don't pass able, that one not be handshake again. Now fight can't be that. Hey, now so the Oyibo woman say, change them for Rambo. They say the thing cause correct basbos between him and the Whiskey. And I don't say Whiskey now, you know to like all those, all those yo life, you know to like him. Just they do it things, just they mind business. So now he make una see am say lately now he can't unfollow Whiskey. They can't unfollow each other. The blessing now she first do am. That one can't return the energy. I don't know. But now that thing now it cause wahala because the woman can't hear some information. Say be like say Whiskey and that is first baby mama. He be like say they won't join things together because Bolu now gonna need younger sister and younger brother. Even though say they play with Oyibo children, but at least he go still want the one be say in mama. Still take Ibele born. You see, all these men, they know what they are doing. Maybe all this while I just keep that Oyibo woman for there because so that one they help them, they promote music, they get more connections and everything. And the good way they look Whiskey, I be like person will say, go to yourself, you go leave this music of a thing because it's made for life. If people don't say no go sing again today, go suffer. Because now, I think he's trying to be a good father. Because say you don't get son when they look up to him. If you see that his son now, he be like papa. He don't even be like big like papa, he be like a friend. So many things then when we say they go they talk together. The time when Boluwatife small, nobody the time when we say go fit follow mama discuss. Nobody go fit follow mama discuss again. There are some things when they say man to man, when you need to discuss, when you need to learn as a man from a papa. When we say they go sit down. So all these things now go they ginger the man head. They talk say no, he be like saying go settle with this pikin mama. And to crown it all, the mama self not be say they into any serious relationship. And he constantly take care of this pikin when we say they bring pride to them today. So you see as the things say they play. So all these men, they know. For the fact say you born children for everywhere, they born twins, they born triplets every 3 months. Say you think say when you don't born pikin for everywhere, the man goes down. For man when wants stay one place, now they stay one place. So. And most of all these musicians, they get woman when they reserve. When you be say this one I be the real housewife, when you get all the character. They get the one you be say yes, you go they think say, oh now this one I be the chosen one because nobody go believe say in with that Oyibo one now say nobody be the chosen one. Especially as it be say they don't born children for everywhere. But maybe now because of a career. Oga Whiskey and the first baby mama say they don't put things together. Because of this, they are picking. Very soon, all of them will become one happy family. And this is first son, I don't already get relationship with those children. So now when they take marriage, they laugh the Oyibo woman, hey, you are just a baby mama. Maybe their contract, they say they're not go marry. Whiskey self, maybe you're not even ready to marry because he knows, say, he don't want married tomorrow now. Tomorrow night, he want to be married and be faithful. Not be to marry for the society. Just, say, most of all these celebrities that they marry for the society, like Davido now, he's married for the society. He married for, we won't be the online, make them say he's a married man. But in the recent, if you say he's not a married man, they behave like a married man. Even the wife said he just married for the society. I mean, I'm not saying they take a wife, they do for a side club. He almost they knock a wife in front of a 30 BG. That one a housewife. Which kind of housewife will behave like that? You think say Davido's senior sister husband will do that kind of thing for front of his friends? I mean, you think say even his bestie when they call Cubana, even the Choma uncle when they call Cubana, and I think say go take a wife, can't do that kind of nonsense. That they call that one wife. Oh, not your wife. I beg go. I don't laugh. I don't go land for inside your magic wagon. Yes, so so what did they play now? As the rumor come, like say the thing they went the thing they work small. Now we come here say, say Davido they like they do copy. Now we come here say this now one of the reasons we make Davido they try by all means. He want Imade by all means. Not be only saying now because Imade now they look for. Because if there's not only Imade now Davido even they look for now. We gonna know how we take settle this matter. But the Chief fans they know they just they pretend. Everybody knows it. Now Sophia Akpekus now Davido they look for. Now Sophia Akpekus now Davido they look for. Yes now. Shoma feel fine for outside or if you go do backyard, do frontage, do retouch, do everything. But you know how Akpekus be. You know how Akpekus they sweet rich. So they don't say if not be original, if it be original, not go fit do retouch rich, make it go do retouch rich Akpekus now. So they don't know what the guy they miss. It just they use him and they cover face. Now Sophia, now they look for. Especially now when you come here say colleagues when they call Whiskey, now don't go reconcile with your first baby mama. Back to send down. Sophia want to forward ever, backward never. We no go ever pray for that kind of thing. Thank God said, even that time when they even talk saying with Davido come back again said, thank God said not be for her mind because she talk and say anytime when she talk say she no go green, no go give her Akpekus. The first thing when Davido will talk, okay, only you want to take care of the pikin. They take her they threaten her every time. Now one day, nice Sophia must say enough is enough. Must I use my body pay you first before you take care of it? If you don't want to take care of her again, so be it. He go fit take care of her by himself. Anything when they see, they go shop her. And then water pass enter Gario. Let's assume the last time when Davido ask Sophia for Akpekus, if to say she no decline, talk say no, she no go give you. This wahala for not the grand. All this dragging for no day. If you just see they shop the thing, if she they shop her more than grand. And Sophia Amodu talk say she they feel like slave. Slave now something. You say knacking slave. Now Davido take her. Say they call knacking slave. Person when be say you want do the thing, you go do it with them by force, whether the person like it or not. Now so she talk for her fidelity. And Davido don't deny this thing one day. I don't know why now when be the Chief fans. I know say anyway, I know if you to blame una. I know say they pay una, they buy una brain. Now they talk not be from una race sense. I say Davido too they like copy. So as they hear this kind of story now, and they then see the bond when Bolu and the papa get, now jealousy can come. Now they look for Imade, they look for Sophia. They use blogs. If you see the way some blogs they campaign for this Sophia, leave Imade, do this one, let the papa bond, let this one bond. But he forget say the Whiskey now when they take body the copy, Whiskey no disrespect his baby mamas one day. He no set his children up as object of ridicule. He no set his children up. Upon waiting that he first baby mama do him, that shola, he even swam. He don't come interview several times. He don't talk plenty things. Whiskey never disrespected that lady one day. So if they fit come back together, in what time? But Davido when be say you want to eat your cake and have it at the same time. You and Whiskey not be the same. You don't hear where Whiskey has boy, Davido has boy when they work for her, when they clean ground for her. Disrespect Sophia. You don't see where Whiskey has boy. Don't disrespect Whiskey baby mama. Now they say sometimes when they say Davido and Whiskey go get small begin like this. Before you know it, all Davido gang, all the people when they work for long, they don't begin to disrespect Whiskey. But as me and they talk, so people when even they work follow Whiskey, I don't know them I don't know their name. But Davido, we know all of them. Because everybody know that any small thing, all of them don't come out like B when they say how. They go to disrespect Whiskey. But none of Whiskey workers, they don't disrespect Davido own. You don't want any of Whiskey workers go disrespect Davido owner, you go see and you come and begin to play victim. You begin to cry. You want to eat your cake and have it. Because you say Whiskey now, you don't build relationship with your first son. The thing they sweet for you don't even, you just say, Whiskey picking not they stay for rent, oh. Whiskey picking, they not they stay for rent. Not be only mother they stay for rent. All Davido children are rent then they stay. Apart from, what do they call them? The one they for Bodo, what do they call them? Amanda went inside. That one, her family house, they stay. Now Davido papa get the house, not be Davido. All his children, I see they both saying get money rich. Now rent, now all of them they stay. Even himself, he don't get a house of you, not to talk of saying another person want buy house for. Now rent, all of them they stay. Whiskey children, none of them they stay rent. They know they stay rent. So they say empty drum make the loudest noise. So now this one I make una see and say lately now Davido won't reconcile. And all in thing they won't use power, when they use authority, they use blocks. If you see some blocks, the way they drag Sophia to say, oh, you should release him, they should do this one. He go play, I say their eye reach them, they know how the thing they play. Release him, release him, and none of them they address the place when Sophia Amadu talk say, he don't get it when he tell him, now he make cooks, now the video they look for. None of them they agree to go that side. Why? Because they know the truth. They know say not true. Now they say shame, no go let them address that place. You see, so my phone, that one they play now. Now he make una see say Oyibo Jada and Wizkid, they don't unfollow each other. Maybe because of a promo birthday party when they do for Choma, the way people they think. So I just pray make it be say things work out well for them. So we just pray. We will still put it here for granted. If they still bring more updates for us, I go still come drop them for them. And not forget to subscribe because now here for the happen. So that anytime when I drop a bongages like this, you know, if they miss out. But when I take this one whole body first too, I go see you now very soon for my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.